Greetings to all the viewers. Welcome to Medicus Concept. Here we talk about authentic treatment guidelines of various common diseases. In this video, we are discussing about the treatment guidelines of candidiasis or oral thrush. Oral, gui- Oral candidiasis may be seen as early as 7 to 10 days of age, mostly seen during the 4th week of life, and it is uncommon after 12 months of age when it is secondary to broad spectrum antibiotic treatment. Chronic recurrent oral candidiasis is seen in hypoparathyroidism, Addison's disease, autoimmune disorders, immunodeficiency, AIDS, myelosuppressive therapy, and severe malnourishment. Here are some silent features of candidiasis. Thick white patch on an erythematous base in the oral mucosa may spread to involve the lips, buccal mucosa, tongue, and palate. Candidiasis can be asymptomatic or may cause pain in the mouth, discomfort, anorexia, and decreased feeding. Rarely may cause aspiration pneumonia also. Diagnosis is confirmed by the fact that on removing the plugs, punctate areas of bleeding are seen on the undersurface. Now finally coming to the treatment. First, the non-pharmacological treatment. The correction of the faulty sterilization technique of bottle. Best is to avoid bottle feeding. Pharmacological treatment is nystatin, 1 lakh units per ml oral suspension. 1 ml is applied on each side of the mouth every hour. Or cotrimazole 1% cream, gel or lotion, oral application 3 to 4 times a day after feeding for 5 to 7 days. Or miconazole gel 25 mg 4 times a day for 5 to 7 days. Or gentian valet 1% aqueous solution 1 to 2 times a day for 5 to 7 days, but it can stain the tissues and clothes. In resistant or chronic cases, patients with major underlying disease, tablet of fluconazole 3 to 4 mg per kg once daily for 5 to 7 days can be given, or a tablet of ketoconazole 3 to 6 mg per kg once daily for 5 to 7 days can be given. Warning: resistant, recurrent, chronic thrush in a child with no obvious predisposing factor. The source of infection: look for the underlying endocrinopathy, immune disorders, AIDS, and malnourishment. For the patient and the parent education, emphasize on bottle hygiene, care and hygiene of the nipple, and the treatment of vaginal candidiasis in expectant mother. Thank you.